Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Spotify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Spotify's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Spotify application. The homepage of Spotify application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the given options, click on Settings and Privacy option. Scroll all the way down and tap on Logout option. It will log you out of your Spotify account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Spotify's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.